Can you find cheap long Thousand Islands boat tours? If you are dreaming of a scenic adventure on the water, you might be wondering if you can find affordable long boat tours in the Thousand Islands region of New York. The good news is that there are indeed options that won't break the bank. Let's take a closer look at what you can expect. Several boat tour operators in the Thousand Islands area offer multi-hour experiences that showcase stunning attractions. One popular choice is Uncle Sam Boat Tours in Alexandria Bay. They provide a 2.5-hour scenic cruise that includes live entertainment and access to Bolt Castle. While visiting the castle requires a separate admission fee, the boat tour itself is priced competitively, making it a great option for those looking for a longer experience at a reasonable cost. Another option is Clayton Island Tours, located in Clayton, New York. They offer tours that explore various islands with schedules available by phone. These tours typically last several hours and are designed to be accessible for many visitors. For those interested in a shorter experience, the Antique Boat Museum in Clayton offers a 45-minute cruise along with speedboat rides on the St. Lawrence River. You can combine these rides with other tours for a longer adventure on the water. If you prefer a more personalized experience, private boat tour companies like Thousand Islands Private Boat Tours offer customizable tours lasting 3 hours or more. They have signature packages such as the Ultimate Boat Day and the Island Explorer. While private tours may be pricier than group options, they can be shared among friends or family, making them more affordable when split. When it comes to pricing, group boat tours generally range from about $30 to $50 per adult for multi-hour trips, depending on the operator and the season. Admission to Bolt Castle is approximately $13.50 for adults, with reduced rates for children and free entry for infants. Booking in advance is a smart move, especially during peak tourist seasons, as it can help you secure better rates and availability. Some tours even include extras like snorkeling gear or live entertainment, adding more value to your experience without significantly increasing costs. Keep in mind that weather conditions can affect scheduling and availability, so having some flexibility in your plans is a good idea. In summary, if you are looking for long and affordable boat tours in the Thousand Islands region, you have several options. From group cruises to private charters, there is something for every budget and preference. Enjoy the natural beauty and historic sights of this stunning area while making wonderful memories on the water.